I have 1 cup of gluten-free flour in my bowl. I'm adding about 3/4 cup. I'll start off with about 3/4 cup of water, which is pretty warm. It's actually close to hot, but not quite hot. It's just so I could handle the dough. I'm making the dough. The dough should be quite soft. If it's a bit too soft, then I suggest you add a little bit of rice flour into the dough. About a tablespoon, depending on how soft it is. If it's soft enough, it's perfect, you don't need to worry. Just depends. Now I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil onto the dough. So about 1 cup of flour, a pinch of salt, and about just over half a cup of water, warm water, and 2 tablespoons of oil. The oil is put in at the last, just so you can form the dough. Dough should be soft and easy to work with, not sticky. Knead the dough for a minute. And your dough is ready. If you find it too soft, add a little bit of rice flour. Now, take a little bit of the dough, form it into a ball. I like to flatten it a little bit. I've made the dough, flattened the dough ball, so that way it's easier to press on. I've placed it onto a tortilla press on which I've put a plastic Glad wrap. That makes it easier, and it will not stick. The dough will not stick to the actual tortilla press. It's easier to lift up the dough because gluten-free dough is very hard to work with. Roti is done. Now we'll lift the roti and place it onto the grill. You grill it on one side on high heat. Turn it over. I like to use some GHEE, which is clarified butter, on the roti. On both sides, and grill until it's brown and nice and ready. It does take more time than a regular roti to cook. About 30 seconds more, that should do it. Now you can see the color.